Hey lovelies, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this glam box. Okay, let's get started. We're going to use this ribbon. I got it from Amazon, and this acrylic box I got it from Ross. And what we're going to do is we're going to measure and we're going to cut to size and use glue to apply it to the acrylic box. If this is your first time visiting my channel, well, welcome to the family. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you are into DIY, home decors, and beauty. And be sure to click on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And all my returning subscribers, thank you for watching my video. I got this ribbon from Amazon and I will be applying it onto the acrylic. Stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss next week's video, which I'll be making a glam lantern. We are using this heavy duty glue to apply our ribbon. I'm using this silver bling contact paper on the bottom part, and I had gotten this from Amazon. And I'm just trying to size it up and make sure I place it correctly. It does have some adhesive on it to help it stick onto the surface. Alright guys, we all done. I think it came out great. Such a beautiful acrylic box. I'm using it here for my makeup brushes, but you could put anything in there. You could use it on your desk to put your pens and pencils. It's a great gift idea. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you here. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be making videos on a weekly basis. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.